perspective, convenience is not a feature, is a mindset. I think that is critical. And maybe one of the a suggestion is appoint a head of convenience within the team, someone that is just looking from the perspective of consumer outside and challenges and only thinks convenient. Give him or her that role and let him challenge you, because that will get you further.
According to the channel you're taking, there's different ways to be convenient, whether that's longer shelf life, less cooking time, more applicability for your product, or just the perfect solution for that one customer that really needs a fast and no cooking application, whatever, right? There's so many ways to go at it from convenience, but test it with consumers and look at the data rather than your own palate sometimes.
I just love Miguel's idea. So this is going to be also my key takeaway. And in my mind, when you said that, I had in mind, that, I don't know which company was it, but they always have a chair, like an empty chair. And on that chair, they have this card and saying, I'm the consumer. So yes, you can say head of convenience, or I'm the consumer and I'm going to challenge this and then sit that person on that chair. So yes, it just became a key takeaway. Thank you for that.
Well, I'll be looking out for all of your companies, the head of convenience job ad. I'm sure we'll get some good applications.